In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage a group chat in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working on a project with colleagues or planning a meetup with friends, creating a group chat can streamline communication and collaboration. So, let's dive in and see how it's done. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the chat icon. This icon is your gateway to all your conversations in Teams. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the chat interface. Here, you can see all your past conversations or start a new one. To begin a new group chat, look for the New Chat icon, which resembles a pencil or might simply say plus New Chat at the top of the page. Clicking this will open a blank chat panel on the right side of the screen. Now, you're going to add people to your chat. In the To field, type in the names or email addresses of those you want to include. You can add as many participants as you like, and Teams will auto-suggest names from your contacts to make this process even quicker. It's worth noting that everyone you add will be able to see all the messages in this group chat, so make sure you include only those who need to be part of the conversation. Next, let's give this group a name. This will help you quickly identify the chat later, especially if you're involved in multiple discussions. To name the group, click the down arrow next to the To field. A menu will drop down, and you'll see a Group Name field. Here, enter a name that best describes the purpose of your chat, like Marketing Strategy or Team Outing. Once you've settled on a name, you're ready to send your first message. Type your introductory message in the text box and press Enter or click Send. This officially starts the group chat, and everyone you've added will be notified. But what if you need to add more participants later on? Teams makes this easy to handle. Within the chat window, locate the option Add Participants, often represented by a people icon. Click on it, and you'll see options for including additional members. An important step here is deciding how much chat history to share with the new members, ranging from all previous messages to none. Consider how much background information they need to get up to speed. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up and managing a group chat in Teams. With this newfound knowledge, you'll be able to keep your group organized, focused, and better connected. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.